How to remove items from the trust after 30 days. Keep folders on top on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, in trust on the lower right side on your screen, as you can see the trust folder here, so you can click this and you can see the file on trust. So if you want to remove item from the trust after 30 days, just follow my tutorial. So okay, you'll have to do is go to Finder on the upper left side on your screen, go to settings. In settings on top menu, go to advanced. Here in advanced, you can see here the remove items from the trust after 30 days. So you can put a check mark on the left side box of these remove items from the trust after 30 days. And also you can keep folder on top, so you can enable the in window when sorting by name, or you can enable also the on this tab. So you can put a check mark on the left side of box on this option. So, okay, that's it. We have successfully removed items from the trust after 30 days. Keep folder on top on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.